What is up, everybody? It's Mike here, and today we got another unboxing video. Can't wait to see what's in these. Alright guys, so as you guys know, Mix 3, the doubles, just got recently released in California, Washington, and all that. So that only meant one thing. They had to come my way. So these are only two boxes right here, so I don't know which ones are what, and I don't know which Mix 2 we actually ended up getting here, or Mix 3 I shall say. But we're going to open this box up first, and then this one. So the only thing I know is that this is a double down, or double pack of Mix 3 doubles. So I don't know what trucks, I don't know what ones. Hopefully it's not the same. How funny would that be? But let's open the one and see what it is. Alright guys, so first box right here on the right. Crack this open. So the Mix 3 doubles, so far I'm really looking forward to seeing what they really look like up close in person. So it's hard to, let me put this down real quick. Hard to, So it's really hard to pick like a favorite truck if I really have to see them up close and personal. So let's see here. First box, and here is the back. So, good packaging again, like always. Not too bad. Alright. So here is the first Mix 3 double pack that I've ever opened or looked at or held in my hand, whatever you want to call it. And the back of the box we got the Rottweiler and the Dalmatian truck. So this is definitely not that set. So let's see what it is. Alright, dude. We got the Dragon and whatever. Kraken. The octopus one. Alright. Yeah. That is awesome, dude. I cannot wait to open that. That looks really sick. Dragon basically looks the same, but he's got some green rims going on there. That's pretty sick. October? Oh my god, I can't even say Octonator. Oh man, someone help me with the name. I really can't say that. But yeah, that looks awesome. So there is the first Mix 3 double down pack that I was able to get. And now, let's open up this box. Alright, so really happy with this. Sorry for the background noise there with the baby and all that, but you know, times are tough, and yeah, just got home to these. So yeah, let's open up the second box here. Now, it would be pretty funny if it was the same exact Mix 3 double, which I'm really hoping it's not. But the other one I really am interested in. I really don't even know. So here we go again. Here is the back. Let's grab that out real quick. Alright. So, good packaging, once again, amazingly, and we're going to try to move this bubble wrap without ruining the surprise here, because I really don't know what one it is. And this bubble wrap's going to come right off. Alright, so, this is actually taped on. No. Alright, so far, let's see the back on this one. It looks like Radical Rescue and Earthshaker, so we know it's definitely not that mix or version of the trucks. So, will this be the Rottweiler and Dalmatian, or what is the other one? I completely forgot the other one. Ice Cream Man? Well, let's see. Alright, man. Two new trucks. Two brand new trucks. We got the Ice Cream Man and the Monster Mutt. I believe this is actually the first version of Monster Mutt to be released from SpinMaster. Wow, that's pretty sick. I like Ice Cream Man. That looks pretty amazing, not gonna lie. Wow. Alright, so here it is, guys. Two new mystery boxes, I guess you can call it, but even though I did know it was Mix 3 double trucks, I did not know what trucks I was getting. So the cool thing with this is we got half the set already, and basically the ones we need are the ones on the back here. Radical Rescue and Earthshaker and the dogs. So that's pretty cool. I'm really liking the Kraken or the octopus truck. Once I figure out how to say the name, we'll say it. But Monster Mutt, Ice Cream Man, 3 brand new trucks. I'm really enjoying this. SpinMaster is doing an amazing job. And guys, I really hope you like this unboxing video. These things are ultra rare to find right now. they are currently in no Walmart and Target in New Jersey or the tri-state area, which kind of sucks. But yeah, once again, thanks to the guy that sent them to me. Thank you so much. It's awesome that you're doing this. It really is, for my collection and everything. And I hope to see you guys in another video. And yeah, so like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video in the coming days.